Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we'll try to understand ASME A455. A455 is a specification for high strength manganese carbon steel pressure vessel plates, primarily used in welded pressure vessels in oil and gas industries as well as in power generation plants. Main properties or characteristics are high strength. It gives high yield and high tensile strength than many standard carbon steel plates, allowing for thinner designed vessels. A455 is also have a good weldability and controlled chemical composition to minimize weld cracking. Toughness at low and intermediate temperature makes this plate suitable for pressure vessels in cooler application or thermal cycling. Applications widely used in fabrication of boilers and pressure vessels requiring high strength and thickness, particularly in low and intermediate temperature services. It's common in the petroleum, chemical and power plant industries for tanks, reactors, heat exchangers, etc. Equivalent standard for SA 455 is EN 10025-2 grade S235JR. Here JR denotes a Charpy impact energy of 27 joules at 20 degrees centigrade. This grade is mechanically similar but not match the impact tests. We'll see the requirement of SA455, which is specification for pressure vessel plates, carbon steel, high strength manganese. This is identical with ASTM specification A455. Then in the scope, this specification covers high tensile strength carbon manganese steel plates intended for welded pressure vessels. Then the steel is usually made of semi-killed or capped deoxidation practice. However, at the purchaser's or the steel producer's option, the steel may be made silicon killed or aluminum killed. This is important. The maximum thickness of the plate furnished under this specification shall be 20 mm maximum. Then reference document, there is only one important document, A20, which is a general requirements. Then about heat treatment, plates are normally not heat treated, that is as rolled condition. The plates may be ordered normalized or stress relieved or both if purchasers require. Then chemical composition is in table 1. We'll go and see table 1. So this is table 1, chemical requirement. As you can see, there are notes A, B, C, D. This carbon, there is A, phosphorus and sulfur have got A note. That means it applies to both heat analysis and product analysis. Then you can see the silicon content for heat analysis, it is 0.1 and product analysis it is 0.13% maximum. But you can see this D, note D, at the purchaser's or producer's option, silicon may be 0.4% max on heat analysis and 0.45% maximum on product analysis. So this 0.10 and 0.13 can be changed to 0.4 and 0.45. Then manganese, very important, heat analysis it is 0.85 to 1.2 and product analysis 0.79 to 1.3%. But there is a note here, C. So the note C for carbon reduction of 0.01% and increase maximum to 0.06%. Then manganese is permitted up to 1.5% by heat and 1.6% by product analysis. So this 1.2 and 1.3% of manganese will become 1.5 and 1.6. Then mechanical properties, only tension test. The plate are represented by the tension test specimen shall conform to the requirement given in table 2. We'll see the table 2. And in the specification there are no grades, so there is only one grade. And then you can see there are thicknesses 9.5 mm, then 15 mm, then 20 millimeter. There is range also. And tensile strength decreases as the thickness is increases. Yield also decreases as the thickness increases. Elongation remains same. For 2 inch it is 22%. Procedure requires, there is only one here, simulated post-welded treatment of mechanical test coupon, and there are some other supplementary requirements given in A20 also. So that's the end of this SA455 specification requirements. If you have any doubt, please comment below, and also if you find the content of these videos are useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and inform to your friends also. Thank you very much.